This is a usual thing that is happening. This is always happening when rain
Exactly. When it fall like whole day and so we get flood. And nobody not coming in for buy. You have to still pay your stand rent. And the whole garbage there in front there, nothing is moving. It's so inhaling all of them things.
Any goods damage on me?
We had some damage last 2 weeks when they had the flood. As the water went in the stand.
You see, it's like if it's a little bit rainfall, it's still going to flood. No.
Yes, our rainfall, we get flood. You understand? When nowhere else won't get flood, we get flood.
Yesterday, I literally stand up and watch that. Drink a cup of coffee, and the road was full from one corner to the other corner in 20 minutes.
Today morning, my brother, his daughter-in-law, his son, everybody left to go out. I was upstairs sleeping. So after I hear the rain coming down, I decided to look through the door. I see the water running over and into the yard. Plenty. When I come downstairs, the water was about an inch away from going into his house. So I called for him, called him on his phone. By the time I reach here, everything water. All over it was full with water.